In this short video, I'm going to show you how the donate bar works. So right now the donate bar is open, but I'm going to go on and close it. Okay, when someone first comes to a site, there's a slight delay before the donate bar will load. You can change the delay to whatever you want. You'll notice here's the free form message section. Then here's the actual form where you can choose how much you want to donate. If you click other, the person can enter in the amount they want to donate. So right now, let's go down and click donate without changing anything. Okay, and it takes you to PayPal. Right now, this is for this Sandbox PayPal account that I'm using for testing purposes. This is the primary payment screen setup that I have. So whatever is set up as your primary screen, when someone clicks on one of your buttons, that's the screen people will see when they click on the donate button. So let's go back and notice that it came down. You can change the amount. Let's change the amount to $10 and let's test and make sure it actually works. So click donate. Okay, and now the person will be donating $10. They're not able to change that amount. It's just $10. All right, so now let's look at how to actually change the settings for the donate bar and how to create a new donate bar. So I'm going to log into the admin area. Okay, and you'll notice it's located, the donate bar admin area is located in the root of the website. So to log in, you just put in the username and password. And then the password is, put the password in, log in, and now you have an option of adding a new bar, editing a bar, or logging out. So if I click add new bar, because there's one default bar, there's a bar already there. I like to call it the default bar, just so that it's easier for you to see what's going on when you're getting started. But when you click add a new bar, it automatically creates a name that's used by the system. Then you want to put in a description. The description is what shows up once the person gets to the PayPal screen. It's the purpose. That's where the description will go. So for this one, we're going to put donate test for the description. Background color, if you notice here, it says click the box to select the color, so you just click it to select the color, or you can paste using Control V in a hex code. So let's say I have a hex code. I want to do so I have a hex code here I've copied, and I'm going to put it here for the background color. I don't know what this color is, so who knows. And I'm going to paste it in using Control V. If you're on the Mac, it is Command V. Okay, and then the border color for the bottom, you can paste it in as well, or you can select the colors, whatever color you want. I'm going to use a crazy color just so that we can really see. And notice here the border thickness, you can change that to whatever you want it to be. The font color, change it to whatever you want it to be. I don't even know if we'll be able to see the font color, but I'm going to use this color. The font size, this size right here controls the message size and the size for the option buttons. The text for the option buttons. And then the link color here, that's already set to a blue. I'm going to leave it there. The delay, this is the number of seconds before the bar will display. So once the person comes to the page, it'll wait however many seconds before it shows up. Right now, by default, it's set to be 2,000 seconds. So you can change it to however many seconds you want. Then the speed, this is how long it takes for the full bar to load. Okay, Then we have the message. What do you want it to say on the bar? Let's see here. Let me get some text. So you can put whatever you want in there. The bar will expand to meet the needs or other size of your text. So this is my, all right. Just so that it's clear that this is my text, I'm gonna put, all right, then the donation amounts, you can put however many, like you have 5 options here. If you put 0, it's gonna automatically make it the other, where they could put in whatever amount they want to enter in when they get to the PayPal screen. If you do 50, then 50. But if you do -1, let's say we do -1, that means that when we go to the bar, we won't see this option, okay? And so if we save settings, it saves the new bar that we just created. We go to if, and then we can go to the site and add the new bar. All you do, actually, if you look down here, it tells you how to add it to the to your site. So you just go to the page you want it on, put it at the bottom of the page, the footer of the page. If you have a dynamic footer, then put it right before you include that footer. Okay, you just copy all of this and paste it in there. Then we go to edit bar. Let's look at how to edit a bar. So once you're at edit bar, you'll notice here you have however many bars that are created. So if you wanted to put a different bar on however many pages, you can do that. Let's edit the one we just created, donate test. So select it, click edit. Now it fills in all the information for the one we just created. Notice that's it right here. Okay, let's go back for a minute. If we want to edit the default one, okay, notice this is the default bar. It does not have the -1 like the one I created, and it does not have that special note. Let's go back here to the bar we created. All right, so here's the bar 2, and I'm gonna delete this bar just because I can. So I'm gonna delete bar so I can show you that, and bar 2's deleted. And so that's gone. And notice it showed you the message, and after a certain amount of time, I think it's like 3 seconds, it automatically reloads the page. And you could edit another bar if you want. Okay, so that's how you change the settings for the donate bar. We log out again. Let's go back here and let's look at the bar in action. There it is. Let's say we want to donate $10. Donate. Okay, and now we can donate $10. And again, this is the primary template for PayPal.